Shopping in an open-air market.
Morning, madam. What can I get for you?
Oh, morning. Mushrooms, please. Have you any mushrooms?
Yeah, the mushrooms are behind the melons.
Oh, yes, I see. Could I have half a pound, please?
Half a pound of mushrooms.
How much is that?
Right, there we are. That's 52p, please.
Thank you. Now the melons. How much are those melons?
They're £1.50, actually.
£1.50. No, thanks. Too expensive.
Too expensive?
I see you've got eggs here. I've never seen eggs on a vegetable stall before.
Yeah, well, it's, where I go and get me greens. A farmer there, he does them. They're free range, very nice.
I see. How much?
78p a dozen.
78p. Yes, I'll have a dozen, thanks.
Right, dozen eggs. Here we are, right.
Have you got any tomatoes?
Yes, they're on the right, behind the apples. Can you see them there?
Oh, yes. How much are they?
50p a pound.
I'll have a pound, thanks. And what's in that basket up there?
Oh, that's garlic.
Oh, no, thank you, no. My husband won't touch it.
Doesn't like it?
No, awful.
Oh, we have it now cooking all the
Look,
time.
I'll have a lime, please, I think. How much are they?
20p
Yes,
today.
please, I will have one.
20p each. That's one lime.
That's all, thanks.
Right, that's a lot. So, let's see. 52, 78, 50. That's £2 exactly.
Fine, thank you. Here you are.
Right, thanks very much.
Thank
See you again then.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much for being with us. Hope you're enjoying the video. But I'd like to invite you to become a member of our Speak Up English Hub. It will help us a lot, and we are here to help you too. So give us a chance. Become a member of the Speak Up English channel. See you on our next lesson. Let's keep on going.
Deciding where to eat.
Hello, Robin. How are you?
Hello, Helen. What are you doing in town?
Oh, I've just come back from a fabulous holiday.
Yes, you've been abroad, haven't you?
Yes, I've been
Japan?
Yeah, so it was great. And you?
Well, I'm not doing very much. I'm just doing a bit of shopping, really.
Have we got time to have lunch?
Well, I think so, yes. Oh, wait a minute, not today.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow would be fine, yes.
Right, where should we go?
Well, have you any suggestions? I don't know the town very well.
Well, there's a salad bar in George Street that's rather good.
In George Street, yeah.
Opposite the ABC cinema. Then you go.
What kind of place is that?
Well, they have one hot dish, and you can have soup in a row for about 50p.
That sounds good. Yeah.
And
what sort of salads?
Oh, a mixture for about £1. It's on the first floor.
So let me get this right. Where is it in George Street?
It's above the bookshop, on the first floor, opposite the ABC cinema.
Opposite the ABC? First floor, above the bookshop.
Yes,
Fine.
all right.
And where should we meet?
Oh, I should think upstairs, wouldn't you?
And what time?
12:30 suit you?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Good. Look forward to seeing you.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Talking about holiday photographs.
Have you seen our holiday snaps,
No,
Fran?
I haven't.
They're
I'd
great.
like to, though.
Look. Here we are. Look, that's the train that took us there.
Oh, it's a really big train, isn't it?
Now, what's special about this, you see this observation window here?
Oh, yes.
It's fabulous. You could all sit up here and see out from the top of the train.
Oh, have they got stairs in the train, then?
Oh, yes.
Well, bless.
Fully equipped.
Gosh.
And here's the house we stayed in.
That looks nice.
It's fabulous. One of these wooden-built cottages.
Yes, that's really pretty. And look at that fabulous car in front.
Oh, car. Typical, massive American car. It was just lovely.
Yes, it does look nice.
And here we are on a fishing trip.
Oh, yes. That with a big fish, too.
Well, that's Steve looking pretty pleased with himself.
Did you catch anything?
No, I was a disaster. But it's really nice being out there.
Looks nice.
And then we went up to camp on the lake.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
Certainly is.
Don't you love the way the trees come down to the edge of the lake there?
It looks really peaceful and lovely.
Oh, it was so nice.
Are you having a meal there?
That's right. That's us having one of our cook-ups.
Tent looks a bit small.
Well, it was, but you don't spend much time in the tent, do you?
I suppose not.
And here we are on the lake again. This was a canoeing trip.
Yes, do you know how to paddle?
Wasn't hard to learn at all. Picked it up very quickly.
Well, what worried me was you're wearing those life jackets.
Yes, we all had to wear these silly life jackets, but nobody minded very much. It was really good fun. It was a great holiday.
Making a drink.
Hello, Steve. How nice to see you. Come in.
Hello, Fern.
You look awfully hot.
Oh, I am.
Would you like a drink?
Oh, I'd love a drink. What have you got?
Well, anything you like. You tell me.
What I'd really like is a banana eggnog.
A banana eggnog? What on earth's that?
It's just like a milkshake.
OK, you tell me what to do and I'll try and make it for you.
All you need is banana, some milk, an egg, and some sugar.
I've got all of those.
Have you got a blender?
Yeah, I've got a blender too.
That's fine then.
OK, what do I do first?
Now you chop the banana into the blender.
There you are.
Add in half a pint of milk.
Half a pint. OK.
That's about it. Now crack the egg into that.
Yeah, that looks all right. Funny, actually.
And then you just put in 2 small spoons of sugar.
1, 2.
There you are. Just whip that up.
Right. Got a nice head on it.
That
I'll
looks
pour it
good.
out for you. How about that?
That tastes smashing.
Choosing from a menu.
Bonjour, monsieur. Que désirez-vous?
Buenos días, yo no entiendo francés.
Bonjour, monsieur. Que désirez-vous?
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
I don't understand the menu. What would you recommend?
Oh, I see. I suggest that you should have today's special.
And what's that?
It's chicken with red wine, mushroom, onion, and garlic.
Is chicken with wine?
Yes, red wine, mushroom, onion, and garlic. It's very good.
It sounds delicious.
Yes, very nice, very.
What could you recommend to drink?
Le Beaujolais is a red one, house one, is very good. For this kind of menu, very good.
I see. I'll try.
Thanks very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us. See you on our next video. Let's speak up.